Okay, now we've done the top part with the scissors, the side part with the clippers. Now we're going to blend both together. We're going to put our comb in, use our clippers, keep your comb straight up, and you just see how this comb is just traveling up. And you're going to stop cutting when you run out of hair. See right here? No more hair to cut. Then that means I move on to the next section. And then you're just going to go all the way around the head, perfecting this blend. Okay, he's got really great thick hair. See how awesome that hair is? Now all we're gonna do right here on this ridge, there's not a line, but you can tell that it's a little bit thicker, obviously because there's more hair. The more hair, the thicker it looks. And so we're just going to take our texturing shears. If the hair was longer, I would grab the hair and take care of it this way, but see how it's so short, I can't grab it with my fingers, so I'm going to put my comb in, and just right here, I'm going to take a few little snips with my texturing shears, especially right here. If they push it over, sometimes this gets to be a thick spot. I usually like to do a few hits with the texturing shears right there. And this is just going to make a pretty freaking good blend